We've given emotions way too much attention, and I think that's part of the problem today. We've started treating them like they mean more than they actually do. Emotions are information. That's it. They tell you something is happening internally, but they don't tell you what's true, and they shouldn't be telling you what to do. And today you have so much confusion. People are like, what am I supposed to do with these emotions? Let me simplify it for you. You feel something, you recognize it. That's your awareness, but you don't stop there and you don't automatically act on it either. And that's because your emotions, they change. They're inconsistent. They can be influenced by your past, your beliefs, your assumptions. So if you treat every emotion like it's important, you're going to feel all over the place. The work isn't to control your emotions, and it's not to center your life around them. It's to be able to feel something without letting it decide who you are. Because your emotions will change, but who you are needs to stay consistent. That's the difference. If you're not already receiving my capacity letter, comment letter, and I'll make sure you get the link.